Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI Flip and the DJI Mini 3. The DJI Flip is an autonomous drone designed for beginners, featuring tracking mode, obstacle detection, and advanced video capabilities. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes a more traditional approach with manual piloting, a longer battery life, and a rotating camera for native vertical 4K filming. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design. Both drones weigh under 250 grams, making them easier to fly under most regulations. The Mini 3 sticks to DJI's classic folding arm design, which makes it compact and easy to carry. On the other hand, the Flip introduces a unique structure with built-in propeller guards, making it safer to fly around people and obstacles. But this design also makes it bulkier when folded, so the Mini 3 is the better option if portability is your priority. That being said, the Flip's protective build makes it ideal for beginners or those looking for worry-free flying in tighter spaces. Moving on to safety and robustness, the DJI Flip takes the lead. With its fully protected propellers, it offers greater shock resistance and a safer flying experience, making it a great choice for families or first-time drone users. But the Flip's design does have a small drawback. Its low rear propellers can get caught on grass or small obstacles during takeoff and landing. On the flip side, the Mini 3's higher-placed propellers avoid this issue and make it easier to land on various surfaces. So if safety is your priority, the Flip is the way to go. But if you want something more versatile for different terrains, the Mini 3 has an edge. In terms of flight performance, the Mini 3 is the faster drone, reaching speeds of up to 57.6 kilometers per hour in sport mode, compared to the Flip's 43.2 kilometers per hour. This makes the Mini 3 better for tracking fast-moving subjects or covering longer distances quickly. But the Flip climbs faster at 5 meters per second, compared to the Mini 3's 3.5 meters per second, which is useful for getting altitude quickly. Both drones handle similar wind conditions, though the Flip's larger propeller guards make it slightly more susceptible to strong gusts. When it comes to battery life, the Mini 3 pulls ahead. While the Flip has a larger battery at 3,110 mAh compared to the Mini 3's 2,453 mAh, the Mini 3 still manages to outlast it with a flight time of up to 38 minutes compared to the Flip's 31 minutes. In real-world conditions, this translates to about 5 to 10 extra minutes of flight time for the Mini 3, which can make a difference for extended shooting sessions. Now let's talk about controls and transmission. The DJI Flip is all about flexibility. It offers autonomous flight, smartphone control, and compatibility with DJI's RC-N3 and RC2 controllers. This means you can fly it completely hands-free or take manual control when needed. On the other hand, the Mini 3 sticks to a traditional remote control experience, supporting the DJI RC-N1 and RC controllers. While the Flip's autonomous modes make it beginner-friendly, the Mini 3's manual control provides a more precise and immersive flying experience for traditional pilots. Also, in terms of transmission range, the Flip uses DJI's O4 system, offering a longer range than the Mini 3's O2 system. But in real-world conditions, both provide reliable connectivity within visual range. When it comes to video and photography, the Flip takes the lead with more advanced video modes. Both drones share the same 12 megapixels and 48 megapixels shooting capability, but the Flip supports 4K video at 100 FPS for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, whereas the Mini 3 maxes out at 4K video 30 FPS. The Flip also includes hyperlapse and master shots modes, giving you more creative options. But the Mini 3 has one major advantage. It features a rotating camera that allows for native vertical 4K video, making it perfect for social media content. So if you're a filmmaker looking for high-quality video flexibility, the Flip is the better option. But if vertical video is a priority, the Mini 3 is the way to go. As for my final verdict, the DJI Flip is a top-tier drone that checks a lot of boxes. It's beginner-friendly, packed with intelligent flight features, and offers superior image quality with advanced video modes. But the Mini 3 holds its own with a longer battery life, a more compact design, and a native vertical camera for social media creators. If you want an effortless, smart flying experience with obstacle detection and subject tracking, go for the Flip. But if you're after a more traditional drone with better portability and vertical 4K, the Mini 3 is the way to go. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.